Assalamu alaikum. Today we have a very important topic, that is the surface marking of the heart. It is a very commonly asked question in the OSPI exam. Okay. So first of all, we will start by how many points we have to mark. So we have to mark at least 4 points and borders plus an apex. I'll tell you why I wrote it separately. However, apex is one of the 4 points that you have to mark. So first of all, you just have to see, suppose this is the chest cavity, this is the chest. So you have the clavicle, these are manubrium sterni, body of sternum, and these are the ribs. So first rib, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. We will only be dealing with these ribs when it comes to the surface marking of the heart, the first 6 ribs. So we have to mark 4 points that are extremely important while involving the borders. So first one, you will be marking the first point. First of all, you have to feel the sternal angle of Louis. The first point will be 0.5 inches or 3.5 centimeter from the sternal angle at the lower border of the second rib. So this is the first point at the lower border of second rib. Now you will again feel the sternal angle, then the second rib. The second rib is always at the level of the sternal angle. Then the second point will be at the upper border of third rib. So this is the left side and this is the right side. The first point was at the lower border of second rib and the second point will be at the upper border of third rib. Okay, so if we join these two lines together like this, this is the superior border. I hope you can see clearly. This is the superior border of the heart. It is mainly made up of the great vessels. So now we have the third point. The distance from both of these points of the edge of sternum is 0.5 inches. So the third point, you have to mark it at the sixth rib. Again 0.5 inches from the body of sternum. So this was the third rib, fourth, fifth and sixth rib. This is the third point at the sixth rib. So this is the right side. So if I join these 2 points, I get the right border of the heart. So we have the last and final point. It will be at the mid clavicular line. This is the clavicle, and if we take its half, it will be right here. So the mid clavicular line, it is approximately 9 centimeter or 3.5 inches from the sternal angle. So right here. So if we join these 2 points, we have the inferior border. This point, the mid clavicular point, is also known as the apex point. Apex point is one of these 4 points that we're concerned with. Then we have the last border, the left border. So we don't draw the left border of the heart straight. First of all, we make a straight line down from the first point we made at the second rib, and then we curve it slightly to make this apex like structure, to make this edge this prominent edge. So this is the left border. So just a revision, the first point will be at the lower border of second rib. The second point will be at the upper border of the third rib, and after joining these two you get the superior border. So next you have your third point. It is at the sixth rib on the opposite side. Sixth rib, 0.5 inches from the sternal border you have, and if you join these 2 points you get the right border. Okay, so the last and final point we have at the fifth intercostal space, mid clavicular line. This is the mid clavicular line and the fifth intercostal space. It is between the apex part of the heart, formed by the left ventricle. So if I connect this point at the sixth rib and this point at the fifth intercostal space like this, I get the inferior border of the heart. And then if I connect the first point and the apex point, I get the left border. So that was all for the surface marking of the heart. It's not very difficult, it's quite easy. You just need to pay a bit of attention to it. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.